The fourth step in creating your campaign is to fill in the custom information that will be actually viewed by the recipient of your emails. The top section here is the email header. This is the information that goes into, for example, the subject line, the display name. So when your client actually sees the email in their inbox, it's basically the display name that shows up, so they can understand who this is coming from. So you can put your own name there. The subject line is anything you want to put in. You can also, if your database or contact list has specific information like first name, last name, you can actually select, let's say, first name. So if you want to say first name, thanks for your immediate response, it will basically personalize each email and put that information in the subject line. I'm just going to put test for now. Name I'll leave blank, although I should put something, but I'll just put test right now. Add permission reminder. This is in the email at the bottom of your email. Every email that's sent out, this part of this section will actually put in this type of text, which will remind your client why and how they're receiving this email. So if they signed up using your online web form, or you received their information a different way, this will just help them understand where you received their email address from, so they don't think it's spam. This isn't mandatory, but it's just a good reminder so people don't take your email the wrong way. With regards to the email body, this is where you can customize the template that we selected in the previous section. Very similar to like a Word document. You can highlight things, you can center text, you can bold it. There's a lot of things you can do, similar to using a text editor. This is an HTML editor. You don't have to be a programmer to be able to use this. You can actually just go in here, you can change text, you can change dates, you can put your company name there, for example. There's a lot of things you can do. I would just suggest playing around with it, because you can always test it. So you can actually preview, clicking here. You can send a test email to yourself just by clicking send. Lots of ways for you to see how this is going to end up appearing when you customize it. When you're done with that customization, you can save it as a draft. So on your main dashboard, which is up here, the main campaigns or my campaigns, you will be able to see this campaign. Or you could just save it and move on to the next. It'll also save it in the dashboard, but then you can move on to the next section. So you can do that as well. If you ever make a mistake and want to reset this image, you just click reset. It'll reset it all to the default. So right now I'm just going to click on save and next and move on to the next section.